welcome to my channel. Now I have been using charcoal on my teeth all week long. I really want to see if charcoal could whiten the teeth. Now there are so many people out there using charcoal claiming that it will do whiten the teeth, and I want to try it for myself. So I used the charcoal all week long, and today I'm here to show you my result. However, I'm going to show you exactly how I make the mix, how I use it on my teeth, and then I'm going to show you my result after 1 week. So if you're interested in this video, continue watching. So here I have active hardwood charcoal powder, and this is what I'm going to use. And I also make sure that I'm using pure food grade charcoal. Okay, so make sure you look out for that, because this is something you're putting in your mouth and you want to make sure that is food grade. So here I have 1 teaspoon of charcoal powder, and I'm going to put it on my platter here, and this is actually a lot for one brushing. And I'm going to mix it into a paste. So I'm using 1/2 teaspoon of water, and I'm adding it to the charcoal, and I'm just going to mix this. Active charcoal helps whiten teeth while promoting good oral health by changing the pH balance in the mouth, helping prevent cavities, bad breath, and gum disease. It works to whiten teeth by absorbing plaque and microscopic tidbits that stain teeth. This activated charcoal use is cost-effective and an all-natural solution for a bright smile. You can see it's coming along. The charcoal is actually absorbing the water, and this is what it's making it into a paste. Since we'll be brushing our teeth, we want to make sure we could apply it to our toothbrush. Now, if you're mixing and it get a little dry, then you need to add a little bit more water to it. And as you can see, this is about ready. And basically, to apply this, I'm going to use my toothbrush. So now I'm going to show you how I use this to brush my teeth. To whiten your teeth naturally, wet a toothbrush and dip into powdered active charcoal. Brush the teeth as normal, paying special attention to areas showing the most staining. Sip a bit of water, swish through mouth thoroughly, and spit. Rinse well until spit is clear. So here is the charcoal, and this is the toothbrush. Now before you use the charcoal, you want to make sure to wet your toothbrush, okay? And since I'm not in the bathroom, I just have a little thing right here, and I'm going to make sure my toothbrush is wet. Now once the toothbrush is wet, you're just going to take it and dip it in the charcoal. Make sure you cover the bristle with it, and this is it. And now I'm going to brush my teeth the way I normally do. Now, you wondering what it tastes like. To me, it just feels like I'm brushing my teeth with toothpaste, okay? It's a very, very fine granules that's giving you that scrubbing effect. And you basically could feel like your mouth is clean. It gives a clean feeling. And this is what it looks like on the teeth.
So now I'm going to squeeze out, rinse out, and I will be back to show you the result. Okay, so after you finish brushing your teeth, you gotta know that your tongue is gonna be extremely black. Take a look at this. Now what I did, I go and I rinse my mouth and then I use regular toothpaste to further wash my mouth out. When you do that, it will get rid of most of the blackness, okay? So you just have to rinse like about 6 to 7 times. You just have to rinse, 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 rinse and brush with regular toothpaste and give yourself a week. Now my finding is that it really do work. Also, before I use the toothpaste, I could actually feel that my mouth is clean. Even though it's really black like this, but you could feel that it's clean. And when you brush with your regular toothpaste, it is even more fresher. You feel like you're just coming from the dentist. You know when you go and you get a professional clean, that feel? You feel like you don't want to even eat a sweet because your teeth, your mouth and everything is feeling so clean. That was my experience from using the charcoal, okay? So definitely I will continue to use the charcoal, not, every day, but from time to time, I'll use the charcoal for a week and give it a break and start back again. And I am very, very fascinated and I'm very impressed with the results that I get from using the charcoal. So there you have it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video, leave your comment, and if this was the first time watching, subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.